Hello, ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yes. Okay, so I'm just going to share the screen. Here, from the exercise, we will start.
Okay, ma'am.
So first, read the glossary of the chapter. Afterwards, we will be starting with the just wait 1 minute. I am
Okay,
just
ma'am.
1 second. So first is A1. A1
Yes, ma'am.
will
It
be code
was
view,
speed design.
design view, and split view.
Yes, ma'am.
So A1 will be code view, design view,
Design view and split view.
and split view.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, answer 2 will be rectangle and polygon hotspot. Means to fill
Yes, ma'am.
only the blank spot I'm writing. Okay, rectangle and rectangle
Rectangle
hotspot,
and polygon
And
hot.
polygon
polygon
hotspot.
hot.
Next, 3 CSS stands for cascading style sheet.
Cascading style sheet.
Cascading style sheets. Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
number 4, cascading style sheets are used to format the layout of the web page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Cascading style sheet.
Next, question number 5. The dash
Document.
window shows the current document.
Yes, and starts for
Document.
the correct document.
Basically, specifically, current window or the desktop window. Basically, whenever we are turning on our computer, whenever we are just seeing it, that is actually we are saying like that. That is the desktop area. So, what will be the answer exactly?
can you speak loudly? I can't hear you properly.
Yes, I am telling that the dash window shows the current document. Here, what will be the answer? Windows or start window?
Ma'am,
Desktop
start
window.
window.
Start window.
Desktop, because whatever the space we are using right now, I am displaying this document that is exactly known as the desktop area. Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
dash is an electronic image that has been divided into different sections called hotspots.
Image, ma'am.
Image, ma'am.
An image.
Ma'am, image, ma'am.
Image, ma'am.
Just let me check the previous
Okay,
book.
ma'am.
Nothing specifically written over here.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, some sound is come in here.
From where? From my side.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Ma'am, 5 answer will be what? Desktop.
Desktop. And 6 answer will be
Ma'am, image, ma'am. Ma'am, that is only given in the memory tips. See?
image and the
Image map.
Image map.
yes, image
Ma'am,
map.
it is given in the memory tips only.
Next.
Ma'am, forms. Next.
Library.
What will be the answer?
Library.
No, ma'am, forms will be the answer.
Hmm?
Ma'am, 7 answer will be forms.
False.
Yes, ma'am. And library is the last.
No, ma'am, it's library.
Ma'am, in 5 number you have written desktop. It will be desktop.
Yes, but change I can't do right now. If I have to remove it, it will be entirely removed. 7 answer will be the dash are used in web pages together to give useful information about the visitor of the website. Forms. The answer will be forms.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 8 answer will be library. Basically, fill in the blanks. You will see that from the memory tips or the glossary part, from here everything will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is here true and false. CSS makes it easy to change styles across several pages at once.
True.
True. Because CSS only if we are going to embed it with our code, the entire website will be looks like the same. So it will be true. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
2 is what they are saying. Links are the computer code that disconnects the web pages together in a website. The question is it itself a wrong type
False.
of information is wrong.
False.
So question number 3. Question number 3 is a text field is used for exiting text.
False.
Yes. I'm false. This one means this
False.
sentence is of
Because exiting means I think inserting their wanted to mean.
yes, ma'am. Inserting images
Yes.
that is
Adapt
telling.
Dreamweaver is a program that allows internet sites to be created. That is true. Question number 5. It will be tables are a powerful tool for presenting data in a tabular format and for laying out text and graphics on the HTML. True. Yeah,
True.
even for
True.
writing the answers also we are using tables. So sometimes difference between this and that. We are just drawing the table and writing the answer. Why we are doing that? Because it will give a nice view of our nice representation of our work, right? So question number 6, CSS stands for cascading style sheets. This is true.
True.
Question number 7 is, I'm just writing in yellow so that when the text area I will remove, it will be, means you can look it nicely. Okay, 8 is, 7 is buttons have predefined names such as, obviously, if we are not going to define it, it's impossible for us to understand that, yes, what is going on over there. Dreamweaver has the control of hand coding HTML as well as visual editing environment. True. Because yesterday I showed it to you, right? Like at the same moment we can just do both the things. Means from the code also we can just do. Though the hyperlinking was not done, but the italic was done. Okay. So next question number C, I am just moving. Adapt Dreamweaver is a program that allows internet sites to be created.
Size.
So here the answer will be C,
Option
1B. Okay, I'm not writing much. After that, question number 2. Question
C,
number
option
2's answer, tables are a powerful tool for presenting data in a tabular form and for laying text. Here now no option is going close by.
Ma'am, what is the answer of C1?
False.
Next, 3. Question number 3 is CSS makes this
3D.
Across.
So question number 3 is styles across. Oh, this is the grammatical question. Why they are provided here?
In computer,
So question
grammatical
number 4. Yes. Dreamweaver gives you the tools you need to effectively put text on your pages and get your
Message. A.
Message.
Option A.
Option A.
this question. Rather you just cross it. No need to do. 4 you just do one thing. 4 you just cross this question. This kind of question I will never give. Very bad type of question. No conceptual basis, nothing is there. 5. There are dash type of hotspot. 4. Okay, so the 4 option is in D. Question number 6.
D. Ordered list.
OL stands for ordered list. B. Okay, so this is your entire exercise.
Ma'am, first answer
And
is
in place of question number 5, A5 desktop, we can also write that document.
No, desktop area means right now you are seeing it. Means any application, whenever we are opening it, it is just viewing on the desktop area. Okay, so it will be, the answer will be desktop.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 4 only. I have crossed from here because this question I didn't find that this is really relevant with our topic. Okay, so this question is not needed to do. These three also you can just cross because three is also grammatical question, but yes, we have solved it. It's okay because message or messages there is UC and messaging. This is the if we are going to just evaluate it according to the English. This is the verb means the word is just getting formed according to the verb, noun, this, that. So this is not relevant to our topic, I think so. Right?
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
have crossed it. But one thing it's very important from here, you need to read the memory tips. Okay. You need to read the memory tips
Okay,
from
ma'am.
here. Because in the memory tips, you will see all the points are very important. Means here I'm highlighting all these points. All the points are very, 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 very much important for you. So read this thing. Read this thing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So question answer, should I mark it? Right now you will write.
Okay, ma'am.
From these two chapters, HTML and the Adapt Dreamweaver, whatever we have done in the class, those type of questions I will give in the exam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for this weekly test, which chapter?
For this week test, only the previous chapter HTML will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell
Ma'am.
me. Tell me, I
Ma'am,
can listen.
ma'am, in HTML chapter, question D, answer the following questions. 4, 5, 6, 7 you have marked in book. In 4 you have added one more question. So ma'am, 4, 5 and 6 we have to write by own.
Yes, code practicing you must do because I will give you such questions while it will be because your essay1 is a kind of long type of questions you need to write, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay, ma'am.
small code at least you can write. Suppose I'm telling you just make 2 web page and hyperlink it. Okay. So this type of code obviously you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, it's done. Should I remove it?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Yes,
just
ma'am.
removing the annotations. This thing is saved. I will post it after the class. Means after
Okay,
2,
ma'am.
generally you have seen that I am
Okay,
posting
ma'am.
those things.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
D1, what is Dreamweaver? Why do we use Dreamweaver in web development? So these questions, we have to go to the first para. So here here you need to write Adapt Dreamweaver is a professional web development application developed by Adapt System. It is used for designing and maintaining websites. First 2 questions you will see. Now the first question, first and second question, altogether the answer you will get from here. Now according to the from this para, according to the question, you need to write the answer because you are if it is 1 mark question, you only if you are going to write that Adapt Dreamweaver is a program that allows the internet sites to be created. Okay, so this thing is okay. But if I'm going to give you 2 or 3 marks, that time at least 1 more line you need to write. That time if you are going to write only 1 line, I will not provide you the sorry, full marks. Okay, so that time you need to write the thing that HTML is a professional HTML editor also that is developing websites and web pages and powerful web applications. Okay, and it is so here why we are using this entire para is the answer. Okay, so question number 1 and 2. Sorry. So D1 and 2, both the answer will be here. Now I know that you all are intelligent enough to understand that what you need to write and what you need not to write. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm saving it. And I'm just clearing my annotations here. Next is explain the features of Adobe Dreamweaver. This question you don't have to do. And any inside question, if it will come in the exam, those questions we will cover later. Okay. So question number 3 you don't have to do. Because this chapter itself is very high level programming knowledge is needed. And I don't think that you are almost 13 or 14 years old. I don't think that if you are going to master on this chapter, it will be very much helpful for me and as well as you. If you can master by yourself, it's good. Otherwise, I need to think about all the students of this class. Okay. So next question. I'm going to the next question. Next question is what? Sorry.
How many types of views are there?
Views are there in Dreamweaver. Explanation is not needed. Here what you will cross, just explain. Explanation is not needed. 3 types of view is there, right? Coding, design, and code view, design view, and one more view is split view. Okay. Explain the paragraph formatting, what is water forms, what are cascading style sheets. So whatever REST programs are there, this program, REST questions are there. These questions I will cover tomorrow. Okay. So today's class is up to this. I don't think that you are having any doubts. Now here you in the computer, one thing you will see every time that the answers will be coming multiple types, like for the desktop. Okay, because I told you why in computer one fill in the blanks can have multiple type answers. Because here you can see that the questions are yes. So mainly the answer can be anything, because if you are going to write the starting page or something like that you are talking that time, that is also correct, because while we are turning on the camera, yes, sorry, please unmute.
Ma'am, when the class was started, I can't read the message because there was some network.
Today you are fast in the class.
Yes, ma'am, in this class only.
You have just taken admission just now.
No, ma'am.
Class is starting from 10:15 to 20. Within mostly in 20, I'm just starting this class, because one of your friend is having small sister. She is doing class. So at 10:20.